I am so excited to officially announce FitnessFest, Virtual Fitness Fest, April 22nd through the 25th. We had an amazing experience on our virtual September event. So many of our attendees were so pleasantly surprised. I was so pleasantly surprised at how smooth it was, how user-friendly it was. This coming April will be even better. It will still be user-friendly. You will still see and feel the presenters that you love. And we have got some new presenters that are going to knock your socks off. We're going to have more interactive breakout rooms. We're going to have great business seminars to help you grow your existing or wannabe business. We're going to have active movement, cardio, lots of stuff for you personal trainers, indoors, outdoors, privately. Whatever you need, I know we've got that for you. So we will be launching registration in just a couple of weeks. Stay tuned because there's going to be a great offering, a great deal for you. April 22nd through the 25th, I'm Janice Jakes, the owner of the FitnessFest Conference and Expo.